Welcome back, guys. Let's double check the IOTA targets updates with my custom indicator set. Just the local zones on the daily 12 time frame and maybe 4 time frame. We're more than okay to buy back IOTA. Global targets, you remember, I don't think so. The IOTA will reach new all-time high this cycle. Maybe if some miracle happen and IOTA will repeat the successful story of XRP, which after 8 years recover back and hit the new all-time high. So maybe IOTA will reach 391. But it's not about the $10, $5, or even higher targets. Most conservative price target for this cycle, based on the previous analysis, it's $1.67, $1.91. So around $2 will be amazing result for IOTA. Of course, it's not a big gains, but guys, keep in mind from the bottom of this one, March 2020, IOTA performed like 4,900. I found out so many times in the next cycles, the tokens reached the half of these gains. So yes, it can be like 2,000 around here. 2,000 to 2,500 is going to be around here. So approximately $2, I guess, is going to be an amazing result for IOTA, but I don't think so. We will reach the all-time high again. Maybe in next 8 years, 10 years, maybe yes, but not now. Now we around the all-time low. This is the COVID dump low. I hope we will not drop in nuts with the low. I will touch IOTA again because I'm in this token. So some people ask it, what token do you hold? Many tokens on a spot portfolio in the crazy losses. Some tokens already delisted. So sometimes it's happened, and it's just a part of our job, like investors and the traders, and it's okay. Some tokens I'm way too out of the break even if I get a chance. So I will touch IOTA again, not for DCA, no, maybe I will buy some IOTA if we drop again to 5 cents. And if we bounce, the main position I will hold, and that speculative position I will sell it. So this is it. Zone of interest here. The zone of accumulation was 31 cents and 13. We dump it even lower on the Donald Trump dump. So here we try hold the line with the body candle, but after that we crash it down. And unfortunately, yes, this crazy bearish price action. That really important moment, guys, for us, it's a sweep of 25 cents. Because this is like impulse, sideways impulse, and we need to recover over than 20-25 cents here, because if not, we can keep moving down again, something like this one, because this is technically a bearish structure. So there is no positive yet for the alts. At least we can see some 50% of the bounce of this last impulse, and we can see the correction. So a correction can be like 17 or 18 cents, and after that we need to break the structure on the lower time frames on a daily one. So if we take a look at the daily, the break of structure should be here. So this is the last impulse, this one. 15. So yes, we need to pass the 27 level, 15 cents on the daily to maybe talk about a break of structure on the daily, and next target will be 25 break of structure on the weekly, and we go higher. So this is it. Globally, yes, locally, daily here was sell, jewel, take profit, buy. Now a lot of signals to buy. Weekly time frame, here's a sell. Now no signal to buy. Let's hide the alerts. Let's hide the FIB. This one, EMA. There were, of course, the positive case. If we're on the weekly time frame, we'll see that 25.95. It's a test of 200 EMA. This one. This is going to be the positive case for IOTA. Globally, local 200 EMA, it's 15 cents. So yes, the magnet for IOTA is 15 cents. After that, maybe if we hold the line, if we close the daily candle with the volume, maybe we can talk about a break of structure on the daily. Until we trade under this level, it's bearish scenario. Highly recommend you use the dashboard, just a brand new indicator all in one place. You can adjust the time frames, and track every single on the screen. And on one dashboard. All right, technically on a daily, it's accumulation zone, it's accumulation on direction, it's bullish. Weekly, it's amazing accumulation zone. We never seen the bigger accumulation even here on COVID dump. Now it's a really big accumulation. I don't know, maybe was some news. December whole just a live stream. All right. Anyway, this is also accumulation based on the direction indicator, 4 weeks in a row accumulation. Nice one. 12-hour time frame. This is an amazing accumulation, and we pump, and no distribution yet. It's good. So it's good one. Daily, not even close to the distribution. So keep eyes on this top. So you can add alerts and keep eye on that level. Let's add alerts on direction on the bearish signals. I want to see the notification. Let's double check the other indicators. Market mood daily. It's only the positive now, some positive case. This is disbelief on a weekly. So guys, honestly, of course, this can be the dad talking like everybody complain about IOTA, but any talking can be like speculative asset. Pump, dump, pump, dump. So our main goal is buy low, sell high. And how high depends of your how greedy you are and your goals by timing. So this is A3 on the 12 time frame. So maybe like a speculative trade if you bought it here after 30%. You know, if you trade with the 10x, you know, 300% is more than okay to fix a profit. So the market mood, yes, it's A3. Technically, we already close over than 50% of the week. If we count the week, this one, yes, even on the 86 level by FIB. So I repeat again, if we reject now at 50 EMA and crash it down, the next level where I will touch IOTA is going to be the 5 cents. Now I don't want to touch this token anymore because I'm already in. Trade on, I showed you money power, guys. Really important to track the money in. So here money in was at 10.85 around 8.19. So now we trade at 10. So if this guys in average accumulated 10, 8, 9 cents, would be logical to see some seller pressure at 18. Usually after 100%, we see the seller pressure. But some guys already start fix a profit here with the money outflow. And the weekly, it's good because here 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row, while we kept going down at 12, 10 cents, the big guys accumulated in November. So time to sell will be at the top. Let's add alerts also to the money power, money outflow on the weekly. So for me, the money outflow on the weekly will be the top of the top. So the last time the money outflow on IOTA playing out perfectly well, like November 74, December 74. I'm waiting the same target, the same money outflow, like a signal of end of uptrend. Local one maybe. But if we check, by the way, the monthly, we're not even close to the top. So definitely, guys, it's not a time to sell. Time to sell will be like here, March, April, somewhere one, just in case. So locally, yes, maybe on a weekly time frame, I will out based on the signal money outflow. Weekly time frame, we saw on the rated. Take a look. We just try and go and test below the buy line 12.41, take profit line 24.64, exit line 27.91. Let's add alert to the take profit line. This one. Let's track it, and daily take profit lines 15.74, exit line 17.75. So the crucial moment, guys, to pass the 15 cents. After that, the roll can be open after correction to 25, the break of structure on a weekly, and we can go higher. The main targets I showed you. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my customer service, I will show in this video. Just write me DM. You can add the same alerts like I did in this video. And don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.